roller, the blue excavator, and the green dump truck are all lined up like athletes at a starting gate.
I bet they are playing a game of tag. Or maybe they are just racing to see who gets to the dirt first.
They are highly trained professionals. They move with purpose to ensure our city roads and buildings stay strong. Watch how they coordinate. It is a beautiful dance of heavy machinery, moving in perfect harmony to clear the site.
The excavator is using that massive arm to scoop up debris. It's like a giant mechanical hand reaching out.
Exactly right. Each brick is carefully lifted and placed into the dump truck. Precision is key when you are moving such heavy loads.
It's like building a puzzle, but on a massive scale. How many bricks do you think they can fit in there?
Thousands, surely. They work tirelessly, layer by layer, until the truck is filled to the brim with materials. Rhythm is everything here. Notice how the excavator doesn't stop, keeping a steady pace to stay efficient. And there, the job is done. The loader pauses, signaling that the load is complete and ready for transport. Time for the next phase. The street clears as they prepare to move to the next section of the project. The red road roller glides forward now. It's calming to watch it move with such steady, deliberate motion. It's smoothing out the path ahead. Every road needs a good roller to make sure it's safe and flat for us to drive on. Passing through the quiet neighborhood, the roller keeps working, ensuring everything is perfectly level.
Wait, who is that yellow newcomer? It looks like a cement mixer joining the crew.
You spotted it. The cement mixer is vital for the foundation. It's bringing fresh, wet concrete to the site. Watch closely. It positions itself with technical precision. This is where the magic of construction really happens.
Look at the concrete pouring out. It's like a gray flowing river that will soon turn into solid ground.
As the concrete sets, the site glows with the promise of a new foundation. Through teamwork and dedication, these machines have built something truly wonderful today. Until next time, keep exploring. Look at that blue excavator go. It's rolling right into the heart of this magical floating village.
It's stopping by the pond. Maybe it's looking for a place to take a nap?
Not quite silly. Look, it's preparing its net. Those fish are swimming in a perfect vertical line. Whoosh! It caught them. That is one talented machine, scooping them up with such precision. It's a busy day for construction equipment, isn't it? Even the yellow loader is hard at work today.
Bet it's trying to build a giant fish aquarium. That would be so cool!
Oh dear, it looks a bit grumpy. Did the net get stuck on something? It's moving across the bridge now, heading toward the kitchen area. Teamwork makes the dream work. The red excavator is helping out with the cooking fire.
That saw is incredibly sharp. It's slicing that fish perfectly for the main course.
What a culinary masterpiece! A delicious fish dish topped with a perfectly cooked egg. A job well done by our mechanical friends. Look at that cement mixer rolling peacefully across the bridge. It's a beautiful, quiet day in the countryside.
The truck is on a mission. Maybe it's going to build a giant cake? I bet it's delivering frosting for a town-sized birthday party.
Oh, not exactly, my friend. It is carrying heavy, wet concrete for construction. But look, it is getting awfully close to that old windmill. Watch out! Oh no, the truck has struck the structure. The windmill is tipping over. It's a total disaster on the road. Yikes! That looks like a big mess. Good thing the orange excavator is here. It's like the superhero of the construction site. You are right. It is working with incredible precision. See how the bucket grips those heavy blades? It clears the path one piece at a time. The road is finally starting to look clear again. Teamwork really does make the dream work, even when things go crashing down. And now the forklift arrives to help move the truck. It's like a specialized dance of heavy machinery working together to restore order. With the road clear and the debris gone, the scene is restored. It's amazing how quickly these machines can tidy up. Thanks for joining us for this construction adventure. Welcome to the park, everyone! Look at that beautiful fountain and the Ferris wheel spinning in the distance. It is such a calm, lovely day.
Wait a minute, what is that big yellow machine doing? Is it going to dig for buried treasure? I hope it finds some gold.
Let's go!
Not exactly treasure, but something just as important. That excavator is starting to drill through the brick to reach the earth below. Look at it go! It is clearing away all that debris. It is like a giant metal hand cleaning up the ground.
Hey! A truck pulled up with a giant tank! Are they bringing water to fill a swimming pool for the construction workers?
Actually, that water is essential for stabilizing the ground as they work. It keeps the dust down and prepares the site for the next phase. Have arrived! Those look heavy. The red excavator is moving into position to help unload them.
That machine has a grapple claw! It is grabbing those pipes with such precision. It is like watching a very strong robot dance.
Lowers the pipe into the trench. This is where engineering meets patience, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned. Everything is perfectly in place. The foundation of our project is finally taking shape right before our eyes. Now comes the concrete. The mixer is pouring it around the pipes to lock them in place forever. It is all coming together so quickly. The work is done and the park is beautiful again. It is wonderful to see how much effort goes into keeping our favorite places running perfectly. Thanks for joining us today. Welcome to the valley, where the morning sun kisses the fields and the rhythm of the farm begins to wake.
Look at that steam train. Is it carrying giant broccoli? I bet those are the biggest vegetables in the world.
Not quite silly. Those are young trees being transported to help our forest grow tall and strong. That blue tractor is quite the workhorse, isn't it? It keeps the farm connected and running smoothly.
It is like a busy dance. The train zooms by while the tractor keeps its steady pace. It's a mechanical ballet.
Now, the red and pink tractors stand ready. They are preparing the earth for a brand new cycle of growth. They are carving deep lines into the soil. It looks like they are drawing patterns on the surface of the Earth.
I can do that too. I'll just drag a stick through the dirt and call it farming. Wait, why is it so much harder?
Because farming takes patience, precision, and the right machinery to feed the world, my friend. Watch closely now as the excavator joins the team. It is time to turn this field into a thriving woodland.
That claw is so gentle. It picks up that little tree like it is holding a precious treasure.
Nature and machines working in harmony. Each tree planted today is a promise of shade and oxygen for tomorrow. What a beautiful way to build our future together. Look at those 3 mighty red tractors working in perfect rhythm to prepare the earth for a new season.
They are like big red beetles. Do you think they are racing back to the barn for a nap?
Not quite. They have simply finished their hard work and are heading home to rest. Now the sky opens up. That gentle rain is exactly what the soil needs to wake up and start its magic. With the earth soft and ready, tiny seeds are tucked deep into the rows, full of hidden potential. Look! Tiny green sprouts are poking through the soil. It is like the field is waking up from a dream. And before we know it, those sprouts have transformed into plump, yellow pumpkins basking in the sun.
They are changing colors, turning from yellow to a deep, festive orange.
Here comes a helper, a yellow excavator. It seems curious about our pumpkin harvest. Watch closely as it uses its blade to carve spooky faces. What a clever way to get ready for the autumn celebration. It has been a wonderful season of growth, hasn't it? Look at that bright red fire truck rushing through the intersection. It's on an important mission to help someone in need. Meanwhile, the steady concrete mixer truck continues its daily work, rolling along the city streets without a care in the world.
I bet that fire truck is going to a giant birthday party, spray confetti everywhere.
Actually, it's headed to an emergency. But oh no! Look! The concrete mixer has slipped into the canal and is calling for help. Don't worry, here comes the blue tow truck. It's the hero of the city, always ready to lend a helping hook to those in trouble.
It's going to use a giant magnet to lift the truck out. I love magnets.
Not a magnet, but a very strong winch. The tow truck carefully secures the line to the mixer, preparing for the big pull. With a steady pull, the team works together to bring our friend back onto solid ground.
It's working! The concrete truck is sliding out of the water. Teamwork truly makes the dream work!
Safe and sound, the mixer returns to the road. It's a wonderful day in the city when everyone helps each other out. See you next. Welcome to the site, everyone. Look at these giants waking up for a big day of building. It's like a mechanical dance floor out here.
Wait, are they dancing? Maybe they are just playing a giant game of bumper cars. I bet the yellow one wins.
Not quite, silly. That yellow loader is a real professional. See how it carefully gathers those bricks? It's all about precision and focus. Now watch the red excavator. It acts like a giant, powerful arm, scooping up heavy loads and depositing them right into the blue truck's bed. It's teamwork at its finest. The excavator does the heavy lifting, and the truck makes sure everything gets to where it needs to be. Off it goes! The blue truck is fully loaded and heading out to deliver its cargo. What a productive mission. As the sun sets, our mechanical friends rest after a job well done. Thanks for exploring the... Look at that bright yellow forklift rolling out of the barn. It is time to start our busy day on the farm.
I bet that forklift is going to go grocery shopping for the cows. Does it have a list, do you think?
Not exactly, silly. Forklifts are experts at moving heavy things, and today it has a very important job to do. See how it carefully navigates toward the woodshed? It has its eyes set on a specific prize today. Up go the forks! It is lifting that heavy stack of logs with such precision and grace. It is like a giant yellow dance. Moving across the yard, the forklift carries its wooden cargo steady and true. Mission accomplished. The logs are exactly where they need to be to keep the barn warm tonight.
Wait a minute, is that a bear driving a tractor? That is definitely not something you see every day.
It certainly is. Our furry friend is helping the chickens get to their new home. Everyone is working together. The chickens are settling in. And look, they are already getting to work in their cozy baskets. Everything is ready for the blue truck now. The eggs are gathered, and the farm is humming with success. And there goes the delivery truck, off to share the farm's bounty with the world. What a wonderful, productive day we have had together. Welcome to our beautiful, sun-drenched farm. Can you see the tracks waiting for our hard-working machines?
Look at that! The pink excavator and the red loader are ready for action. And here comes the blue pickup truck to join the team.
Our blue pickup truck is zooming past the golden cornfields. It must have a very important delivery to make today.
The pink excavator is digging deep near the barn. It's so strong. Is it looking for buried treasure, maybe?
Not quite, silly. It's clearing the ground to make sure our farm stays tidy and productive for all the animals. Teamwork makes the dream work. See how the red loader scoops up the dirt while the excavator stands by to help? They are like a synchronized dance crew, moving dirt piles with such precision and efficiency. It's truly a sight to behold.
Now the excavator is lifting a heavy log. That looks like some serious heavy lifting for our pink friend.
It's placing the log carefully into the truck bed. Everything is coming together perfectly for the big construction project. They are steady and focused, loading more logs one by one. The red tractor is providing the perfect support for the team. With the final log secured, the excavator steps back. It's finished its job with grace and quiet power. The tractors maneuver one last time, enjoying a moment of peace after all that hard, productive work. Off goes the blue pickup truck, fully loaded and driving with a clear sense of purpose toward the old well. It's dropping off the materials. Everything is ready for the transformation to begin at last. Look at that brand new red barn! Our hard-working friends really did build something wonderful today. See you next time! Look at that peaceful red tow truck resting by the lighthouse. It's such a lovely, quiet morning, isn't it?
He's off on an adventure. I bet he's going to find a giant treasure chest on the other side of that bridge.
Oh dear, that wasn't treasure. The bridge is crumbling. Hold on tight, little truck.
Help me! Is anyone there?
He's calling for
me!
help. And look, here comes the crane truck to save the day. Maybe he's a superhero in disguise.
Oh no!
Precision is key here. The crane operator is carefully positioning that hook
Are you okay,
to ensure
tow truck?
our friend is lifted
I'm coming to
safely
save you
out
right
of
now.
harm's way. Up and away! It's a relief to see him back on solid ground. That was a very narrow escape.
I bet he's saying thanks for the lift. Buddy, that crane really came through in the clutch.
That was so dangerous.
They've decided to team up.
Thank you for saving me, Daisy.
It's okay. We need to rebuild the
Instead
bridge
of just moving
now.
on, they are going to rebuild the bridge
Okay,
together.
let's get to work.
That is the power of teamwork. Watch how the crane truck lowers those heavy pillars. One by one, the foundation rises from the water, creating a path for everyone to cross once again. With the final sections in place, the bridge is restored to its former glory. It just goes to show that when we work together, we can fix even the toughest problems. What a fantastic finish to our journey today! Welcome to our bustling city, friends! Look at these powerful machines waking up to start their very important work today.
Is that a giant green monster eating rocks? It must be hungry for breakfast.
Not quite, silly! That is a green excavator. It is carefully lifting heavy stones to help build our city's new foundation.
Oh, I see. It drops the stones into the orange truck like a giant game of catch. I bet that truck gets very heavy, very fast.
Exactly right. The excavator works with such steady precision, ensuring every rock is placed exactly where it needs to be. The load is finally complete. With a full belly of stone, that orange truck is ready to roll out and deliver its cargo.
Look at it go! It zooms down the street like a professional delivery driver on a mission.
Our city never sleeps. Now, the cement mixer and the red road roller join the team, keeping everything moving smoothly.
Wow, look at them all go. It is like a big construction parade.
It truly is a symphony of engineering. Every machine plays its part to make our city a wonderful place to live. What a productive day in the city! Thanks for joining us on this building adventure. See you next time, everyone! Look at these hardworking machines, finally settling down for a quiet movie night under the stars.
Wait, did that tractor just drift into a power pole? Maybe he was just trying to practice his parallel parking.
Actually, it looks like a serious accident, not a parking mishap. The excavator and the tow truck are arriving to assess the damage.
Oh no, tow truck. The movie was getting
Oh,
good,
I
and
see
the
now.
power went out.
The whole crew is
Look
coming
over there.
together to help
It's a
out. They
traffic
really are
accident.
the ultimate team, aren't
The power pole has been knocked down.
Teamwork is essential in construction. With the crane providing support and the tow truck pulling, they are clearing that pole with precision. With the road clear and safety restored, our friends head back to their movie. It's a wonderful reminder that when we help each other, we can get back to the things we love. Good night, machines. Look at this old barn, everyone. It has stood for generations. But today, a new chapter begins with these heavy machines arriving on site.
Is it finally time for a giant bouncy castle? I hope they're building a bouncy castle.
Not quite, silly. Those blueprints show a modern, sturdy barn for the farm animals. See how the dog is checking the plans? The excavator moves in now, its powerful arm carefully peeling back the weathered wooden siding as the old structure makes way for progress.
Whoa, look at that wrecking ball go! It's like a giant pendulum swinging through the air to finish the job in one big swoop.
It is certainly dramatic, but notice how controlled it is. Every strike is calculated to bring the remaining frame down safely. Now the site is being cleared. The roller is flattening the earth, creating a perfect clean canvas for the builders to start fresh. The tractor has arrived with a full load of lumber. It's like watching a giant puzzle being delivered, piece by piece. Watch as the frame rises from the soil. It starts with the foundation, then the sturdy wooden skeleton takes shape right before our eyes.
I can see the walls going up now. It's growing so fast, just like a giant wooden plant popping out of the ground.
The roof is being secured, and the doors are swinging into place. It's truly a testament to teamwork and careful planning. What a transformation! From the old weathered boards to this gleaming new home for the animals, it's a job well done. Thanks for joining us on this build. Look at those two friends, the red and blue trucks, resting peacefully under the warm glow of the farm sun.
Night falls, and the farm settles into a deep, quiet slumber. Even the trucks need their sleep, right?
Oh no! The ground has turned into thick, sticky mud. Our poor trucks are completely trapped and cannot move an inch.
Wait, is that a giant monster coming? Oh, it's just a yellow excavator. Maybe it's here to dig a swimming pool?
Not quite, silly. The excavator is a heavy-duty helper. It is using its massive strength to try and lift the blue truck out of the mire. It is working so hard, straight against the heavy mud to free the red truck next. This is quite a difficult task. Help has arrived! A specialized red tow truck is here. Its job is to pull heavy things that are stuck tight. Watch closely as the tow truck uses its powerful winch to pull the blue truck safely back onto solid ground. Success! And now, the red truck gets the same expert treatment. With a steady pull, it breaks free from the clutches of the mud. They are free at last! It is wonderful to see them driving away together, back to their peaceful farm life. What a great adventure today! Look at that! The construction crew is gathering at the intersection. It's time for some heavy-duty work today.
I bet they are going to build a giant chocolate factory. I hope it has a fountain made of caramel.
As much as I love sweets, these machines are built for something much sturdier. See that front loader? It's heading out to clear the way for a new road. Yellow paint really stands out, doesn't it? It's designed to be seen clearly on a busy site. The excavator and the roller are joining the convoy now. They move with such steady, mechanical purpose.
And here comes the dump truck. That engine sounds like a happy, roaring bear, doesn't it?
It's like they are floating in a dream. A parade of engineering marvels working together. Out here in the field, The air is fresh, and the work is about to begin. The front loader is approaching those trees. Watch closely. The front loader uses its powerful bucket to push against the trunk. It's all about leverage and strength. Down it goes! That takes real power. Now, the machine gathers the logs into a tidy pile for transport. The excavator is using its claw like a giant hand. It's so precise, picking up every single piece of timber. Teamwork makes the dream work. The excavator lifts the load and drops it right into the back of the waiting dump truck. It's a perfect rhythm. Scoop, lift, and drop. They could do this all day, couldn't they? You know, watching these machines work reminds me that everything we build starts with simple, powerful movements like these. And now the day is done. All the machines are safely tucked away in the shed. What a productive day of teamwork. See you next time! Look at those heavy machines go! It is a beautiful day for a game of soccer on the construction site.
Wow! Did you see that perfect scoop? That loader is definitely the star player today.
Now the red excavator joins in, showing off some fancy footwork with the ball.
Wait, why is he knocking down that building? I thought we were playing sports, not demolition.
Sometimes, to build something new and wonderful, we must first clear away the old. Exactly. The dump truck arrives to clear the path while steel beams rise up to form a new foundation. It is truly amazing to watch the progress. From a simple game to a brand new building, teamwork really makes the dream work. What a fantastic day of progress for everyone involved. Look at that little pickup truck cruising along the road. It seems like a perfectly peaceful day for a drive, doesn't it?
Oh no! Hit a pothole! Maybe it's trying to find a giant treasure chest buried under the asphalt?
Not exactly, silly. That is a yellow dump truck, and it has a very important job to do at the construction site. The dump truck meets its partner, the powerful orange excavator. They make quite the team, don't they?
I bet that excavator can dig a hole all the way to the other side of the world if it wanted to.
It is certainly efficient. Watch how it carefully scoops up the rocks and deposits them right into the back of the truck. Precision is key in construction. Every rock has its place, and soon the truck will be filled to the brim. The truck looks so heavy now. It is moving with such purpose, head up and back toward that troublesome pothole. Look, the tow truck is there too. Everyone is working together to fix the road and help the little pickup.
Down go the rocks. Filling that hole is going to make the road smooth as silk again.
Finally, the road roller arrives to finish the job. It is amazing to see how cooperation turns a bumpy disaster into a perfect road. Thanks for joining us on this little construction adventure. Look at that bright red excavator rolling into the park. It looks like it is ready for a big day of work.
It is starting to dig. I bet it is looking for buried treasure or maybe a giant dinosaur bone.
Not quite, my energetic friend. That excavator is actually preparing the ground for a new foundation. It is moving the earth to make room for something sturdy. It is working so steadily. See how the arm moves with such precision to clear the area? Wow, look at all those holes! It has been very busy. Is it finished now, or is it going to dig all the way to the other side of the world? Hardly. Now that the holes are ready, a new friend has arrived. Here comes the yellow dump truck to help with the next phase.
It is zooming around the fountain like it is on a racetrack. Vroom, vroom!
Focus now, because here comes the green concrete mixer. It has a very important job to fill those holes with wet concrete. The concrete flows out so smoothly. fills every corner of the holes to create a solid, lasting foundation for our project. They make a great team. The truck brings the materials, and the mixer does the heavy pouring. Construction is all about working together. The work is done, and the park is ready for its next transformation. It is wonderful to see how these machines build our world one step at a time. Until next time, keep building and learning. Look at this peaceful city morning. Everything seems so calm and routine today.
Whoa! Did you see that? A giant shooting star just crashed right into the bank!
That was no star. It was a disaster. The building is crumbling into piles of rubble before our very eyes. Here come the heroes! The fire department is rushing in to battle those flames and keep everyone safe.
I bet they are just going to park there and take a nap, right?
Not quite. They are clearing the way for the construction crew to start rebuilding immediately. Look at those machines go. It is amazing how quickly they can organize this site. And just like that, the city is whole again. Resilience truly is the heart of a great community. Welcome to the farm, where the morning sun warms the grass, and the cows graze in quiet harmony.
Look at that cow go. She's probably rushing to a very important cow meeting, maybe about the best patch of clover in the field.
Actually, I think she is just enjoying a stroll. But wait, is that a bear? And he is driving a tractor. That is certainly not something you see every day.
Oh no! The bear isn't looking where he is going. He bumped right into the cow and hooah! The whole tractor just flipped over.
Goodness, what a chaotic scene. Thankfully, help is on the way. Here comes the red tow truck, ready to save the day and clear the path. Closely as the tow truck operator secures the line. It is amazing to see how quickly they can turn a mess back into an orderly workspace. Now the excavator steps in with its powerful arm. tractor with such precision, placing it gently onto the flatbed trailer. It is truly impressive to see these machines working together to restore peace to the farm. Nature and machinery have settled their differences, and the path is clear once more. What a remarkable day on the farm, don't you think?